We're at SovereignRise estate at Meringandan. It's a beautiful estate. It's what I really call a lifestyle estate. What I mean by that is they're big blocks, so they're 2,500 to 4,000 square metres. So they're nice and big and roomy. Plenty of room for a shed, pool, for the kids to run and play and grow. So you're not on top of your neighbours. It's nice and quiet. It's peaceful. You can go for a walk, you can take the kids for a walk up the street. When you come home from a busy day at work, you can relax. As you can see, there's heaps of trees around, wildlife, birds chirping. You can sit down and relax and unwind. If you like, you can just buy a block of land, that's fine. If you've got your own builder, that's fine. You can just buy the block of land through us and build with your personal builder, that's fine. By all means, obviously, we'd love the opportunity to quote the house. We do house and land packages. We will build your plan. We obviously have hundreds of plans of our own, but we will build your plan or we'll modify one of ours. And if you do a house and land package with us, you go in the draw to win a brand new car. So the price goes from $195,000 up to about $220,000 for just over an acre. It's all underground water, power, sewer. As you can see, it's curb and channeling, street lighting. It's all NBN ready. From here to Highfields, and as you know, Highfields got everything, shopping centres, schools, primary school, high schools. It's only 7 minutes. You're looking at about 15 minutes to Towoomba. So yeah, it's very close and handy, and you've got room to grow. In the distance, there's hills, valleys, trees, wildlife. Yeah, you've got a wonderful outlook. So it's a fantastic place to live.